Are you okay, Bob? Oh, hold, Bob, stand still. Stand strong, Bob, stand strong.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so.
Tell me, what are we gonna do today?
We're on our way to see Sumilon Island.
We need to get a snorkel. Oh, I see you can even rent a GoPro.
Yeah.
We need to get 3. Tatlo. We're going in now, but I'm worried about my drones. Let's see. So we have to take this rocky road down. Okay. Thank you guys, thank you. Woohoo! We've made it, guys. You've even got your glasses back.